If you want to learn how to make this kind of edible yogurt, watch the whole video. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share down below. Welcome back, friends. Today we're gonna make edible slime. These are the ingredients that we're gonna use. We have honey, cornstarch, goat yogurt, some gummy bears, organ pears, sprinkles, and food coloring. I have violet, and my sister has blue. First thing that we're gonna need is half a cup of cornstarch.
Half a cup?
Yeah.
Half a cup. How much do we need? Half a cup. 1 cup, slice it into half a cup.
And like the bowl, we're gonna add 1 foot of yogurt. We have 2 drops of food coloring.
2 drops. How many drops? 2 drops. Here, Dini, yours is here. Go. 1, 2. That's good. Okay, you got it. One more. That's good.
We're gonna mix it with our spoons. Extra coffee.
Whoa, Dini, you. Whoa, look at me. Look, slime.
To my hand.
Whoa.
Try.
Slime, Dini.
Try.
Try it. Whoa.
Goodness.
Add sprinkles.
I'm gonna add some sprinkles to mine.
For flavor, a little bit of honey for flavor. There you go.
Now. If you want to learn how to make this kind of edible yogurt, watch the whole video. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share down below.
Whoa, look at this slime. It's turning like a purplish color.
We have the soldiers. Gummy bear soldiers.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Purple, purple, red, yellow. This is the most beautiful slime. Beautiful.
Gummy bear slime.
I'll bury mine too. I'll bury my soldier.
He's gonna fall, Dini. Oh.
I want to make a ball.
You wanna make a ball?
I want to make a ball. Now what? You got it. Today we made edible slime to get more Armine's tea party with me and my sister Adina.
Keep watching. Like and subscribe.
Bye friends. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button down below.
Bye friends. Bye Dini. Armine. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching. Please. See that?